Mastering English Adjectives, the Art of Predicative Adjectives. Hello and welcome to our next episode on Mastering English Adjectives. Today, we're focusing on a specific type of adjective placement, predicative adjectives. These are adjectives that follow a linking verb and describe the subject of a sentence. Let's delve deeper and demystify this exciting area of English grammar. Predicative adjectives appear after a linking verb, and they provide more information about the subject of the sentence. Linking verbs often include forms of the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, but can also include verbs like seem, appear, look, become, and feel. Consider this example. The cat is black. Here, black is a predicative adjective. It comes after the linking verb, is, and describes the subject, the cat. As we discussed, a predicative adjective follows a linking verb and describes the subject of the sentence. It's important to note that predicative adjectives do not describe objects. For example, right, the cat is black. Wrong, I feel the cat black. In the wrong example, black is incorrectly used as a predicative adjective. The sentence should be rephrased to correctly use black as an attributive adjective, an adjective that directly modifies a noun or noun phrase, like so. Corrected. I feel the black cat. Now, let's have a go at identifying and using predicative adjectives in some sentences. 1. The girl seems sad. 2. His answers were correct. 3. The room looks clean. 4. I am happy. In each of these examples, the bolded word is the predicative adjective. It follows a linking verb and gives more information about the subject. Great job! You've just taken another step toward mastering English adjectives with your understanding of predicative adjectives. These adjectives follow linking verbs and provide more information about the subject. Keep practicing, and soon, placing adjectives correctly in sentences will become second nature to you. See you in our next video, where we will continue our journey to mastering English grammar.